Hey YouTube, this is just my gameplay. It was got a while back, maybe a month ago, but this is Demolition on Nuketown 2025, and I got 100 plus in this game. Oh my god. Oh, just wait. Okay, got it. Let's go to my name. My friend By Kicker is in here, and then my name is Coach Kicker, and I'm right here. I got fast man, quick time. I use like 3 different classes in this match. This is my first 100 plus. I just went crazy at the end. I got 45 kills with the VTOL warship. I just went in.
Shoot her down. EKIA.
Yeah, I died a lot of times, but it's 100 plus. It counts still. I just went in right here.
Lightning strike coordinates received inbound.
I think I end up using the Scar H with stock and extended clip or something. I was just going in. Yeah, and especially in the beginning, it doesn't look like it's gonna be 100 plus, but it is at the end. And that guy just kept on killing me over and over. And it is Demolition, so you know, spawns don't flip, and it's really bogus. But yeah. Wallbang fail.
Shut out.
Yeah, Sentry couldn't get me. See right here, yep, I call extended clip and stock. I remember this class. It's actually really good. Ooh, fire. Man, sentry guns are like too easy to be destroyed. It's not even fun.
Eyes on enemy.
Got him. Gotcha, bitch.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, and that guy pretended like he thought he didn't even know where he was. I get wrecked right here. I get wrecked. Oh, this must have been different now. Yeah, right here I get wrecked. Oh. What? I remember. I like pop out the corner. There's a guy in my face. Yo, yep, there we go, right there. That's what happened. And then, yeah, he knifed it. He knifed my sentry gun like seven times. You can actually knife a sentry gun, but you have to knife it like 10 times before it gets destroyed. Oh, this is where I went in right here. Look at this. I got like a triple or double. 1, 2, 3. Almost a 4.
Reloading.
But, you know. Right here is a nice triple. I remember this. I had a nice triple right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, is that a quad? And then my friend, yeah, I shot through him, messed up. Bogey.
Friendly lightning strike inbound. Check your timeline.
Yeah, this game was fun. I didn't know I was gonna get 100 plus until the end. I'm like, oh my god, I got like 88, 90 kills. I can do this.
It's not over yet.
Basically, the only reason I got my 100 plus this game was because I had a VTOL warship, and like since the spawns would flip, I was just spraying, and I got 45 kills with a VTOL warship. And if you didn't know, a lodestar and VTOL warship, you can be in them for 45 seconds, so that means I gotta kill every second. But a VTOL warship, the bad thing about it is you only get 30 seconds technically, because it takes 15 seconds to get into the map. You'll see when I get it later on. Ooh, I went in right here. Man. Every single sentry gun I put down just took me out, or not took me out, it got destroyed. I remember in the end though, when I was actually getting my 100 plus, the sentry gun killed me 3 times, I think. It killed me 3 times. I'm pretty sure.
Shot out.
And then I die up here.
Kill confirmed. Bomb defused. Topping up, stand by. Bomb defused. Let's go, let's go.
What am I doing now? 38 or 39, 16. It doesn't look like I'm gonna get 100 plus, but I remember this gameplay. It was crazy. Freaking noob, he just sits there. I've seen so many people do that. Like they put their technical down. They already know you know what it is, and they just keep on spawning in.
Waypoint out.
Scar-H is actually a pretty good gun, I believe. Or I like the MP7 though. It's like my favorite gun in this game. It's amazing. MP7 is a beast. I'm gonna have to show like a gameplay of me going in an MP7. I'll try to get nuclear or something. I don't know yet. And I also have Advanced Warfare. If you guys want to see any videos of that, but I don't usually play, like, I play Advanced Warfare, but I don't think it's the greatest game. It's not, like, really fun, but I am level 50. I didn't prestige, but I'm level 50, and I think I have a couple elite weapons, mostly LMGs, but I don't use them, which is crappy, and I use the KF5 usually, or the BAL. Those are the 2 best guns, in my opinion, for Advanced Warfare. And I remember right here, get a couple kills, I get my VTOL, and my VTOL goes in. There we go. As you can see right here, I have 52 kills, and at the end I have like 80 something, or I have like 100 plus after I get mine. Right, I have 52 when we start off. And then I'm going in. But just look at this, like, if you get a VTOL, or VTOL and Lodestar are the best warships to use on Demolition, I would say. They're good at, like, I used to play Domination, they're good at Domination, but if you play Demolition, they're the best. I usually don't play Demolition. I only play this because my friend wanted to, but we just went in. Still getting more streaks. This is crazy. This VTOL is the only reason I got it. Me and my girlfriend got 100 plus this game. You see right here, I got 97 kills. Right there, 97. I'm like, whoa, I can get 100 plus. And my sentry gun kills me. It's really crappy. And then my sentry gun kills me again. You know, I get a kill, and then my sentry gun, man. And right here, my sentry gun kills me. Like, what? Really? What is, really? 2 times? I'm pretty sure it was 3 times, and he might kill me again. Oh, here we go. 102. Oh, 103. I'm just getting some extra kills, you know. I think this was 109 or 112 at the very end.
Sniper down!
This game was good.
Copy off, stand by.
104, 106.
Attack reload. Stealth chopper inbound.
And, you know, I'm not using the highest score streaks like Swarm and everything, you know, like other score streaks are good too. Yeah, 111 and 19, and my friend got 113. So it was a pretty good game right there. Yeah.